So let's start. And I think in the last class, I was explaining graph, right? So first one, see, due to hollow sphere, number one, due to hollow sphere, and the graph was something like this. R, and this is minus GM by R, and where it is at R, okay, on the spherical shell, we can say, or on hollow sphere. Yes. Next one, that was for solid sphere. Second one was for solid sphere, and the graph is something like this. Like this graph for this solid sphere. And you see, this is R, this is potential V, here also V in the downward direction. Okay. And here already we have learned how much that is, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, GM by R, that is at the center, and on the surface how much it is? On the surface it is minus GM by R, है ना? In case of solid sphere. Okay. So at the surface of solid sphere, you are having gravitational potential is equal to minus GM by R, whereas at the center it is minus 3 by 2 GM by R. Okay. So these two graphs I was explaining yesterday, right? You can draw this. Yes, finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Okay, okay. Yes, finished everyone?
Sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page? Everyone finished drawing?
Done, sir.
Okay, right. So see now.
Sir, 1 minute.
1 minute. Yes, draw. First you draw.
Sir, done.
Okay, now next one. You see potential due to uniform ring. We have learned this gravitational field intensity due to ring, no? Now we will learn potential due to uniform ring. At which point? Axial point we can say. So I am writing like this, just a ring, okay? Potential due to ring. So if suppose it is axial point, okay? If it is axial point, for example, suppose this is a ring and here is the point which is at distance, let us suppose small r, and the radius of this ring is capital R. This point is O and this point is P. Then P at point P is equal to minus Gm divided by under root R square plus small r square. Okay, where at this point P means what? Axial point. If suppose at center, now this is number 1 point which is outside. At center, what is the case? At center you will have r is equal to 0. If you will substitute r is equal to 0, then v is equal to what, Ray? Minus gm divided by, this is r square plus 0 square, 0 r square and its under root or its square root. What you will get? R. So that's why v is equal to minus gm by r for the ring. है ना? At center and at an axial point. So this first formula is for axial point and this is for at center. If we will plot the graph, how it is, see here. The graph for this ring is like this. Okay, this is R, this is O, and this value is how much? Minus gm by r, which is at center when r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0, it has value minus gm by r and it will go on decreasing. You can see as r is increasing, it will go on decreasing. Yes, no? Understood? This is for ring.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Note down fast. Yes, finished for ring.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
listen now. What I will do, I will give you one chart now. Chart means in the sense gravitational field intensity, potential. Gravitational field intensity, potential. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
So everyone, so no need to what you can say, read all these things. Just if you will look at the chart and just revise the things, no, everything you will understand. Very, very easy. Okay. So first you note down this. Finished?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone finished?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, right. Now, before going forward, I want to explain one small term, that is relation between gravitational field and potential. If you know gravitational field intensity, you can calculate gravitational potential. Gravitational field and potential. Gravitational field and potential. Relation between gravitational field and potential. Now, see here. E bar, that is gravitational field intensity, is equal to minus d dr of phi. Means we have to take differentiation, or else minus dv is equal to e dr. Understand? This is also another form. Okay, clear? Understand? I will take one example also. Just listen. So first formula what we got, that is minus dv by dr. Second formula is what? dv is equal to minus edr, or minus dv is equal to minus edr also you can take. Okay, this is what? Second formula. Now, if suppose you have v including x, y and z, then E bar is equal to minus dou v by dou x I cap plus this. I am keeping minus outside only. Where I am keeping outside. Just 1 minute you wait. Till here you understood these
DA, sir.
formulas. These formulas you understood, these two formulas. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. If suppose means this potential from the first formula. This is dv by dr na, and if suppose v is containing one vector which is along x, y and z axis, then what to do? Then E bar is equal to minus dou v by dou x. First we will take differentiation with respect to x I cap plus dou v by dou y j cap plus dou v by dou z into k cap. This is also one formula for gravitational field intensity. ठीक है? अब देखो एक एग्जांपल मैं लेता हूं. Just 1 minute, one more point I will write and then we will solve one problem. Suppose now I am having like this. dv is equal to minus, similarly for second case, okay, dv is equal to minus ex dx plus bolo ey dy plus ez dz. Now take integration on both sides. What you will get? Integration of dv is v minus, here what you will get, Ray? Ex integration of dx plus ey integration of dy plus ez integration of dz, है ना? So this is equal to minus ex integration of dx is what? X
X, sir.
plus Ey, integration of dy is
Y.
Y.
plus Ez, integration of dz,
Z, sir.
right? So this is what phi formula. So you see, if suppose they are giving you either in integration form or derivative form, you have to find, or you should be able to find the gravitational potential or gravitational field. If potential is given, we can calculate gravitational field intensity by using this formula. Which one? This formula. If gravitational field intensity is given and dV is asking, you can use this formula. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this
Yes,
box
sir.
is very, very important. This is for E, this is for V. Okay now? Clear?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
समझो अभी लिमिट दिया है. If he has given limit dV from 0 to R should be equal to what? Minus of E dr from 0 to R. है कि नहीं? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now one problem we will solve. First you note down this. Yes, finished.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. So see here problem. Now suppose he has given something like this. Given E bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 6 K cap, and he is asking find the gravitational potential. What is V? V is equal to how much? Okay, P is equal to how much, right? And limits we have to keep from, let us suppose, put lower limit 0 and upper limit is suppose 2. What is that? Lower limit 0, upper limit is how much? 2. Yes, no? From 0 to 2.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is our formula? Phi is equal to, or integration of dv from 0 to r, है ना? तो यहाँ पे देखो, इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है दिस साइड की, डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग phi is equal to minus of integration e bar dot dr bar, and limit is what, 0 to r. So 0 to r means what here? 0 to 2
Two,
e
sir.
bar dot dr bar, है ना? Like this. Okay, now see what I am doing here. Minus integration 3i cap dx, 3i cap dx I cap, है ना? Dot plus, this is 0 to 2. Okay, here also 0 to 2, 4 j cap dot dx dy, है ना? dy. Understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
dy
Yes, sir.
j cap plus, बोलो क्या आएगा? 0 to 2 6 k cap, हाँ, dz k cap, है ना? Okay, now I dot I is 1, so minus here 3 outside, integration of dx from 0 to 2 plus, bolo 4 outside, integration of dy 0 to 2, yes, no? Plus 6 outside, integration of dz 0 to 2. What happened with this I dot I? I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is also equal to 1. You know this dot product? Yes? Do you know?
Sir.
Understood,
No,
everyone?
sir.
Please tell, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Minus, this is 3, integration of dx, bolo, integration of dx, how much?
X.
X, sir.
X, 0 to 2, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So here it is 0 and 2 plus 4 into y, 0
sir.
to 2 plus 6 into z,
Z, sir.
0 to 2. Put upper limit, subtract lower limit 3. This is what? 2 minus 0 plus 4. This is what?
2 minus 0.
0 plus 6. 2
2
minus
minus 0.
0. This is close. Bolo, how much you will get? 6.
6. 8.
Minus sign outside,
plus
है ना?
8.
So minus sign is outside, right? Bolo. Minus
Plus 6.
6 plus
8.
8
Plus 12.
24.
12.
26, sir.
कितना?
Minus 26.
Minus
Minus
20.
26.
So V is equal to minus 26 volt, है ना?
Yes, sir.
This is what the potential due to this gravitational field. Understood, everyone? Please check it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, एक
No
बार
doubt.
second step फिर
Yes, yes.
सर एक बार second step फिर से बोलो ना.
Okay, sure. अब देखो, ये जो dr bar है ना, dr bar I am taking like this, dxi cap plus dyj cap plus dz k cap. So this is minus e bar dot dr bar is there now. So just what I did, dxi cap, dxi cap, dyj cap, dz k cap I have substituted, and this e bar is there now. This is this 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap. So 3i with this I, 3i cap dot dxi cap. Okay. Next 4j cap with this dyj cap. Because j should be combined with j only now. Dot product mein hai na. And
Yes,
6k with dzk. Understood? That's why like this.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, sir. Got it.
I cap with
Yes,
I, j cap with j, k cap with k. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One more problem we will solve. First you note down this. Understood
1 minute.
now? Any other doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Note down. Yes, finished.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now next problem you see. The gravitational field, listen carefully first, I will give you a hint. The gravitational field in a region, the gravitational field in a region is given by E bar is equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap Newton per kg. The gravitational potential at point (3 meter, 0) and 0, 4 meter if the potential at the origin is taken to be 0. Now how to solve this? Listen first. Now here there is no any vector, direct points you are having. So what is our formula? See here, phi is equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. Direct you use this. Okay, what you will use? Direct E bar dot R bar. Direct dot product you use. How now? See here. Now see, first जो point है, this one. Initially I am taking it as Ri bar. This is what ray 3i cap plus 0j cap. This point है ना? And another point, second case, Rf bar I can say. What is that? 0i cap plus 4j cap. Understood? Because here you see, in the first case y coordinate is 0, in the second case x coordinate is 0. That's why here I have written this. Understood? Please tell me, understood?
Yes, sir.
And E bar is already given. So see, in the first case, phi in the first case we can say is equal to E bar dot R bar, we can say minus. This is initial. So minus E bar is what, ray? 4i cap plus 3j cap dot. This is 0 is not necessary. So shall I write only 3i cap? Yes. Now you see, minus 4i cap dot 3i cap plus 3j cap dot 3i cap. तो ये तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0. j dot I is 0. So what you will get? I dot I is 1. So 4 3s are 12. Understood? This is what phi in the first case, that is 12 volt. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
You keep it in mind, in the dot product, I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 1. Remaining all other combinations, I dot j is equal to j dot k is equal to k dot I, whatever it is always equal to 0. That's why here j dot I is there now, this will become 0. And in the second case, you see now, similarly, v is equal to minus, bolo, direct shall I do? 4i cap plus 3j dot 4j. So jj, how much you will get? Minus 16 volt. Understood? Note down fast. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. यहाँ पे 3 into 4. Yes, yes, yes. 3 into 4 आना चाहिए. कितना आना चाहिए? 3 into 4. 12 minus 12 volt. ये 4j है ना? ये 4j और ये 3j है कि नहीं? 3j into 4j. jj करो तो minus 12 volt. This I dot j is 0. So only jj terms. 3 into 4 है कि नहीं? Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो ये j है और यहाँ पे भी